Want to restore the default look of your WhatsApp chats? Here's a simple and quick guide to removing a custom chat background. Let's get started. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Go to the chat where you want to remove the background. As you can see, my background is green, and I'm about to change it. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Next, open Wallpaper. In the Wallpaper settings, click on Remove Custom Wallpaper. Confirm your action by tapping Remove in the pop-up window. After that, your chat background will instantly reset to the default design. Now my chat background is beige. And that's all you need to know about removing a chat background on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, don't forget to follow our channel.